What's going on, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to be able to record other rider audio using a GoPro 5, 6, or 7 or a SENA 30K or 20S. This is super easy. It requires no cutting, no splicing, no digging into your helmet, and it'll probably cost you under 10 bucks. Also, before we get started, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, check out some of my other content. I really appreciate the support. Alright, so let's get started. This is my setup, my AGV helmet. I've got a SENA 30K and I normally run a GoPro 7 Black. You'll also notice that I'm not using your standard GoPro mount. I've got one made out of SUGRU moldable glue. I will tell you that this is solid as hell. I've had it on there for almost a year. That shit is a tank. It will never come off unless you want it to. If you want to know more about this product, check out the link in the description box to my other video. I'll show you exactly how to do this. Super easy. Again, cost you like 20 bucks for a pack of this stuff. I will never ever go back to using one of these again. Now for the reason that you guys are all here. How do you capture audio from other riders on your GoPro without using some kind of extra device or getting all the audio from other riders and trying to sync it all together? So back before the GoPro 5, 6, or 7s were released, the 4s and I believe the 3s used a backpack. That was an audio backpack that connected to the back of the GoPros. You connect that to your SENA and you can record audio from other riders all day long. But when the 5, 6, and 7s came out, they aren't able to use that at all. It's just not compatible. So on my helmet right now, I'm currently running two setups. One that I use when I'm riding on my own and one that I use when I'm riding with other people. This right here is the male end to my Panda lavalier mic. You'll notice that this is a TRRS connector. What you need is a TRRS to TRS connection. You'll see here that on the end of this, that is a TRS connection. Tip ring sleeve versus tip ring sleeve. So you need to plug the adapter into each other. This adapter will get plugged into the GoPro audio adapter, which I usually mount right here with this Velcro. That get plugged into the GoPro, and bang, I can record my own audio all day long via the lavalier mic, and then I can use the SENA, listen to music, all that good stuff. I should also mention that I'm not using the factory earplugs that the SENAs come with. I run a pair of headphones that I just plug into the adapter port right there. This helmet just doesn't have space for them, and I don't like them anyway. They're just not loud enough. So that's what I do when I'm riding on my own. Now, if you're going to ride with other people, there are two things you're going to need. The first is a TRS double male. I found this little guy on Amazon. It works really well. The other piece you're going to need is a TRS male to female adapter. This one has two, and that's because I normally run with my headphones plugged into this one. I know it seems like a lot right now, but it'll all make sense once it's all put together. So what you'll do is plug in your TRS male to female adapter into the headphone jack on the SENA. Now in my case, because I run headphones instead of the SENA speakers, one of these is going to support my headphones. So I'm going to stuff that inside so that way it's out of the way. We don't have to worry about it anymore. Now all you're left with is the TRS female. You're going to plug in one end of the TRS male into the female, and then the other end of this TRS double male is going to go into the adapter that the GoPro needs, which again I usually mount right here. So that is it. These are the only two pieces that you need. No cutting, no splicing, none of the other stuff. These two pieces I bought off of Amazon. I think they were maybe like $5 a piece. It works so well, and I'll play a couple clips right now so you can hear the audio quality. In my opinion, I think it's way better than the audio backpack ever was. Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it?
This should be a thumbnail.
Actually, I recognize, I've been to this spot before. When your grandpa was here and we went out to go see the dragon statue, we somehow we ended up on that road out there, and way out in the distance you see where it's kind of blue. Way way the hell out there is where those statues are.
Wow.
So 2 a.m. on a normal day, I'm fucking exhausted.
Yeah.
Right? So getting the rest, and leaving early, we won't have that late night. I'm already exhausted no matter what because I'm old fucking tired.
Because I'm old tired. Yeah, if we play this right, we should be back home by 8 o'clock.
Yeah, about 8 or 9, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
And I got a case of beer, by the way.
Oh, hooray.
I bought a case of 805 because I figured we didn't need anything too strong, but something refreshing.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to be strong. I'm going to need it to be.
So there's one drawback to using this method, and that's that the camera will record everything that the SENA hears. So if you're listening to music and you're riding with other people, you're going to get your music and their audio all mixed together on the camera. So what I've had to do is just not listen to music when I'm riding with other people. And it's really not that bad because with the audio backpack from the GoPro 4, you couldn't listen to music while you're recording audio anyway. So it's not really a huge loss. What I do is just turn the music on and off whenever I just want to get, strictly voice audio. So that's really the only drawback that I've found functionally with this setup. Otherwise, I think the audio is pretty clear. It's easy to set up, it's cheap, and again, you don't have to dig into your helmet because there's some videos out there where guys, like when these first came out, were splicing things together, just making a big mess. I didn't want to do that, and this is just super easy. So that's it. I know this is a very quick video, but I just wanted to show you how simple this was. Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, do all the things that YouTube wants you to do to figure out whenever I post new videos. Follow me on Instagram. Damn, that is a lot of stuff I'm asking you to do. Honestly, setting up this is way easier. But thanks for the support. Thanks for sticking around. Be safe out there.